Hi friends, welcome back to our tutorials. This is Langchain AI Agents demo series. I'm showing you what AI agents are capable of. Today I'm going to integrate Langchain, Grok, which is our AI brain we are using in this series. And the best part is that we are going to send the data to our favorite application, which is Notion. We are building a competitor analysis agent, or you can say market intelligence spy. This is use case number 2. Make sure that you see the previous episode. Before I give you the demo, smash that like button for me. Have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one training or consulting, email me. Let's start with the demo. Alright, so we are still using our processor, which is Grok. That's what we are using. And as part of it, we are using the model called Llama. That's the model we are using here, 3.3. And we have a template or the prompts basically that is already defined here to extract the top 5 bullet list points from a URL that we'll provide. This is especially helpful for analysts, market analysts, business analysts to extract the competitor information. So what are we going to do? Simple as that. So I'm going to start here and show you my Notion. Here I have it. And I'm going to go ahead and search for OpenAI news and say CNET has some news on OpenAI. I'm going to copy that URL and I'm going to go to my fast API, which is the documentation or the Swagger links. And then I'm going to hit try it now and I'm going to pass the URL. It will extract the top 5 bullet list point, send it back to Notion. All right, so let's execute. And once you hit execute, it would show you the results that it has got back from Grok API. And then the best part is that you should go to our Notion and refresh, and it's not enabled. Let's see why. Maybe in our config we have made it false. Yeah, it is false. So let me make it true and hit that again. So I've made it in a way that it is all configuration driven. So now I'm going to hit execute again. And now you should see this data go to Notion. So it extracted the 5 bullet list summary. Let's go to our Notion and you can see here it has already created the entry into our Notion database. That means this is going end to end from a Langchain AI agent, which is doing the competitor analysis, market intelligence, an AI agent which extracts the bullet list and sends it to Notion. Now, what are we doing in the code level? I have my something called integrations where I'm capturing all the integrations. If you look at the Notion, what I've done is I have taken the database ID, the token, the developer token. I'm setting my authorizations here. Then I'm hitting the Notion API endpoint. This agent will extract, build the child block and push the data to Notion. This is what is required as a payload, and then I make the request.post. Excellent tool. This is just the start of this particular AI agents demo. I'm going to integrate around 20 agents for all these third-party apps which I've already built. I'm going to demo it in step by step. Today we have learned how to integrate Grok, and we have also learned how to integrate Notion using this Langchain as a part of our AI agents demo. I hope you love it. I hope you like it. Please follow this series. I'm going to show a lot more AI agents demo that you can start using to explore the capability of AI multitasking agents. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next part.